this video, I'm going to talk about how can you hide your profile photo from a WhatsApp group. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after going into WhatsApp application, just simply select this three dotted button into the top right corner. Just simply select that and go over settings. Then you will just simply have to select this privacy option. Select privacy, and after that you will get this section of profile photo in here. Just simply tap profile photo and you can select it into everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. In order to hide your profile photo from a specific WhatsApp group, it is not possible. You can just simply choose nobody or my contacts except, and after going into that section, just simply select all of the members from the group who are into your contacts, and then you can hide your profile picture with them. Otherwise, the easiest option is to select nobody. Just simply do this, and after this your profile picture will be hidden. I hope this video was helpful. If yes, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video.